Since sentence 3A said Bay Jochig Sean, so John will have a drink. So if I ask you the question, and May Jochig Sean, will John have a drink? What's the answer?
Bay.
Bay. Yes, there will be. And
sometimes pronounced unway or unmay.
Unmay.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't actually, in speech you don't really normally pronounce the N, so it's really a may. And that varies also, dialect. So, and how about a May Joch Igmaira? Mary have a drink.
Nive.
Nive. Okay, it says Nive Joch Igmaira. Okay. All right, another one you've been asking about, Kelly. Okay, so number 4 now. Okay. Now, all the ones we used above, we've been using names in them. So, Egg Sean, Egg Myra, Egg Seamus, Agrippa. Okay? Now, if you want to say at me, you don't say Egg May. Okay? You say Ugam. Okay? Ugam is egg plus May combined. So that means at me. So to say I have a dog, Ta Madra Ugam.
Ta Madra Ugam.
Okay? And that's what I put in for. Okay. Margaret here. The question Unwell is asking, is there? And so, do you have a monkey? Is there a monkey at you? Will monkey agat? Okay, so agat is at you. And he had a bicycle. So first this is passive V, there was. Roher is a bicycle. Ege at him. So vi roher ege.
Vi roher ege.
Okay. She will have a son. Okay. Be mak eki.
Be mak eki.
So Be will be, mak is the son, eki at her. Okay. And we don't have a phone. Neil phonogen.
Neil phonogen.
So Neil there isn't. Phone is a phone. Ogwin at us. Okay. And didn't she have a car? Nachrev karagiv.
Nachrev karagiv.
Okay. And how would you answer that? No. Nirev. Nirev. Okay. And they didn't have children. Nirev pashchiaka.
Nirev pashchiaka.
Okay, so Nirev there wasn't. Pashchi children. Akka at them. Okay. Alright, so now okay, how would we say so how would you say John has a dog? Or has one now. Egg Sean. Ta Madra Egg Sean. So is a dog at John. Ta Madra Egg Sean. So now how would you ask, does John have a dog?
Will Madra Egg Sean.
Will Madra Egg Sean. And how would you say yes? Ta. And how do you say he has a dog? Or has one. Has one now. Ta Madra Egge. Egge. Okay, so Ta means there is, Madra is a dog, Egge at him. Okay. Alright. So, let's try asking a few questions. So, Awargit. And will monkey agat?
Ta monkey agam.
Okay, so I asked her, will monkey agat? Do you have a monkey? Ta, yes. Ta monkey agam. I have a monkey. Okay. So Garth, and will monkey ig Margit? So and will is there monkey ig Margit at Margit? Does Margit have a monkey? Ta. And how would you say she has a monkey? So Ta there is.
Ta monkey
Eki. Mm-hmm. So ta monkey eki. So yes, she has a monkey. Okay. I guess Kelly, will monkey agatsa? Did you have a monkey?
Neil.
Neil. And how would you say I don't have a monkey?
Don't have a monkey.
Yeah. So Neil. So it's like isn't monkey at me? So.
Neil monkey agam.
Right. Neil monkey agam. I don't have a monkey. Okay. So Polly, and will monkey ig Kelly? So will monkey ig Kelly? Does Kelly have a monkey? Hang on a second.
Ta.
Or Neil.
Neil.
Yeah.
You didn't have one? Okay.
Okay.
I have children have monkeys. monkeys.
Yeah. And then
Neil, monkey, Kelly?
or Eki.
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 Oh, Eki.
Yeah, so she doesn't have one. Okay. So you had a question?
When Kelly answered that, could she have answered Nira?
Nirav means I didn't have one. So it'd be, if I ask you, do you have a cat, and you say I didn't, that would be the same as what it would be to say Nirav as an answer to that.
It's just Neil.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or, if I say, do you have a cat, and you say, yes, I didn't, or no, I didn't. And when you go, what? Yeah. Okay. So, Matthew, how would you ask? Why don't you ask Kathleen? Do you have a cat? Try that.
Let's see. Will cat a cat?
Okay, so she says ta katagam. Yes, I have a cat. Okay, so achivin, and we'll cut egg catch thing.
Ta, kat, eki.
Okay, and then far again, and how would you say I don't have a monkey?
Nira. Where's that monkey?
It's very similar.
Monkey.
Okay, and then agam would be. So and you have to say Neil monkey agam. So Nirev monkey agam means I didn't have a monkey. Neil monkey agam means I don't have a monkey. Okay, that's the difference between Nirev and
Okay.
Neil. So Pam, and well monkey egg party.
Now I can say didn't, Nira.
Okay, or unrev.
Or-
Okay, let's say she says ni rev monkey agam. I didn't have a monkey. So unrev monkey should part again.
Nira, monkey, Eki.
Okay. Right. Okay. So, let's see. Why don't we try?
Shanti, I have a question.
Mhm.
On all of these here, agam, agat, eggy, and all that,
Mhm.
it looks like they're different tenses, present, past.
The words to the left, ta, vi, be, those are what change the tense. So that's what makes it past and present.
Oh,
Because ta means
Oh,
is, v means was, be means will be. So that's what tells you whether it's
oh,
future
so
or
the
past.
agam is the person.
That's the
I,
person,
he,
yeah.
she.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, agam means that
okay.
me, agat means
Oh,
that you.
okay, got it.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's try. We have. I'll give you a few words. So Kyan is a pen. Kyan Louis is a pen of lead or a pencil. Okay. Coupon. We'll do coupon. Yeah, how about Lina? Lina Ishka, a glass of water. And we can do, if you want, Lina Fiona is a glass of wine. Okay? So Pyan is a pen, Pyan Louis is a pencil, Coupon is a cup, Coupon Te is a cup of tea, Lina Ishka is a glass of water, Lina Fiona a glass of wine. And what we'll do is let you ask each other questions here, okay? So